Hello, and today's video is about Nifty kitchen stuff. Up to 1 kilo's weighing scales, which are available from Poundland for the amazing price of £1. So let's open the kitchen scales. So we have weights on the side going up from 100 milliliter, 200, 300, 400, 500, which is the top one here. And the same on the opposite side, so it doesn't matter which way you put them on the scales. And we have the scales here. Plastic's already peeling. So it goes up to 1,000 grams times 20. So let's see if we can weigh something. And the scales are already set to 0, so we don't have to do anything with that. And let's pick some. A gingerbread candle. Let's try that. And the weight is 220 grams. Not sure what the weight is. Yes, the weight is, according to this, is 230 grams. So close enough. And we will try something else. A tin of candle. Not sure what the weight is. 130 grams. So let's try it. And the weight we have is 180 grams. Obviously that'd be the tin, making that heavier than it should be, but basically the scales seem to work okay. And check back soon for more interesting videos.